Good morning, everyone. We are discussing the indicators of growth and development. In that, we had see that physical quality of life index. Today, we are going to discuss that in detail. So, what is physical quality of index? It is focusing more on the standard of living. Okay, and it consists of the three factors they considered. That is, first one is literacy rate, life expectancy, and child mortality rate. Literacy rate, okay, any country's literacy rate means how education condition of that country is, and according to that percentage of literate people in the country, we can find out the literacy rate. If literacy rate increase, then working capacity of people is also increase. They are able to do more work and they are having more ability and skills to do different work. So by that they will achieve more income, they can get more income, and by that they can achieve high standard of living. Next is life expectancy. The lifespan of any people is called life expectancy. So high, it is an average of life of people, environment, nutrition, doctors, facility, which shows the average life in the society. So if it is high, then we can say there is a development in economy, or you can say individual. Infant mortality rate. What is infant mortality rate? That is the number of newborn baby who dies before becoming 1 year out of the 1,000. That is called infant mortality rate. And if this rate falls, it means we can say that our hospitality and health services are going better. So pure drinking water, environment awareness of ladies, these factors which affect the infant mortality, and due to that the mortality rate becomes less, and due to that the quality of life will increase. Now why these three elements are considered? Then the first one, the education, life expectancy, and child mortality will give perfect figure. These will show the actual development, and if these all are increased, the development also increase. And we can also compare the country-wise development. Now, how we can construct a PQLI? So it ranks the countries between 1 to 100 rank. The country who is more closer to 100, it is a higher PQLI rate and it is a highly developed, and who is far from 100, they are underdeveloped. So we can find out the average index of country. So first, which points we have to consider in constructing the PQLI? So first, 100% wastage we have to give the all three elements, that is life expectancy, literacy rate, and infant mortality rate. We can calculate the average of these three by the total of these three divided by 3. The ratio is called PQLI, and we use the current year with and base year as in calculations. So what are the important aspects of these three? So as we had seen, closer to 100 means better performance and better, or you can say developed country. Closer to 0 means bad performance and underdeveloping. PQLI will always be between the 0 to 100. Higher PQLI means more economic development. Low PQLI means low economic development. Now positive aspect, why it is better? So it is better compared to per capita income. It is related to use of money, not level of money. Education and health is considered for the human life, and it is a PQLI is an indicator for lesser drawback as compared to national income and per capita. If we compare it with the national income and per capita, PQLI is giving better result to us. So we can made a comparison between different country, different state of a same country. We can also consider urban rural area, female male ratio, etc. by this. Now what are the limitations of this PQLI? So PQLI, so they had considered only three factors. Other important factors are ignored in this. Okay. So on the basis of these three, we cannot actually get a perfect result. So we are only considering the average. So by that we cannot get what does the country actually shows, और कितनी backwardness है, कितना हम लोग prominent है, कितने आगे बढ़े, या what are the exact figures that we can't derive. If country's PQLI is high, then it cannot be generalized that economic development is high against the country. All three aspects do not have equal importance in human life. Each and everyone is having different importance. So same weightage, equal weightage जो हमने दिया है, that is not right. Growth of income is ignored here, which is by which this is not possible to calculate a PQLI. PQLI in rich country rise at slower rate because average life cannot be go beyond a particular limit, and it is not the final indicator because poverty, underemployment, backward area and many more factors are not considered over here.